I learned a lot about business and leadership through football. I was the quarterback of the team, so I had the opportunity to lead another 10 aggressive players out in the field, and I had to learn how to lead them, motivate them, hold them accountable, hold myself accountable, execute, and do it under pressure. You have to work being a leader to help your teammates out to achieve that same goal, which is ultimately is winning, but also that you played your best. It's so much more satisfying winning as a team, having success as a team, doing failures as a team than it is individual accomplishment. Going through to today, watching other high school athletes play, they're our leaders of tomorrow, and I just get a great sense of pride for the tradition of football here in this city with our high school football teams. It's a neat thing to be a part of.
The 23rd season of Sportsline Friday Night, every Friday at 10:25, only on WAFB Channel 9.